Okay, so hey guys, it's me Anirban back here with another brand new video on my channel. In this video, I will be showing you my HP printer. This one is the HP DeskJet Ink Advantage 4515. I personally have been using this printer for more than a year now, and I will be sharing my experiences as well as some of the cool features that this printer can offer to you as well. So just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so as you all can see that this one is my HP DeskJet Ink Advantage 4515 all-in-one wireless printer in black color. Here in this printer you can print, copy, scan, search for photos and also print anything from the web. Okay, so this also comes with the automatic two-sided printing. It has a touch screen which is 6.74 cm color touchscreen. It also supports wireless printing. This wireless printer allows you to print more for less and ensures great performance. This HP Ink Advantage printer is called all-in-one printer because you can print borderless, high-quality photos, documents and projects from anywhere for less price. Even you can also print anything from anywhere around the globe using your smartphone, tablet and PC. Okay, so let me switch it on. Here you can see the touchscreen where it shows HP logo. Here at the bottom you get the paper tray, and this one is the glass where you have to keep your paper so that you can copy or scan them. Okay, so as you can see that this printer is black in color, and it also says that quality printing up to 400 pages at a low cost. Okay, so which means that you can print up to 400 pages at a very low cost. It also provides you with a touchscreen which is quite responsive. Here at the top you get the web services so that you can access the net with the help of your printer. Using the web services, you can directly take printouts from anywhere around the world. Even you can also take printouts of the photos from your printer directly. Okay, so as here you can see that the tray that HP provides in this printer is adjustable. That means that you can even adjust when you want to place the pages on the tray. Now when you push it back like this, it gets adjusted and goes in. Now you also find that here at the front side you get a paper holder. This paper holder manages your pages in place when you are doing several printouts at a time. You can even fold it back like this inside the tray when it is not in use. Okay, so here as you all can see that this is how the ink pack looks like. Here it says Ink Advantage 678. This is just a number which indicates that my printer uses the ink which has a number that is 678. Here also you can check the estimated ink levels. The pink one is for the colored ones and the black one is for the black color. Okay, so it's very much easy to remove the ink cartridges. You just have to open the door like this. Okay, so inside here you can see that the pink one is for the colored ones and the black one is for the black color. You just simply have to take them out and replace them with a new one. Here you also can adjust them after you install them for the first time. Then you just need to print the alignment page for the first time and then you are good to go. Okay, so here in front you get the SD card slot where you can insert your SD card so that your printer can read it. This slot is given for that purpose only. Here you find photos, then printables, then here copy. Now here you get scan so that you can scan the documents, and here is quick forms about which I will be discussing later on. Okay, so at the top you get the wireless summary where everything about your printer is given, that is the host name, IP address, etc. Here you also find the name of your printer, the model number also. Here you also get Wi-Fi direct settings, which means that using it you can adjust your printer. Here, as I told you previously, is the estimated ink levels where you can check the ink's percentage. Here you also find other settings, tools and wireless settings also. Okay, so now let me show you some cool tricks. First of all, head towards your quick forms section. Here you can find calendar, checklist, games and notebook paper. These 4 things are very important. The first one is the notebook paper where you can print lines, that is wide lines or narrow lines, as you can see in notebooks. Here you can also play games, that is there are 2 games given, that is Sudoku and Maze. Here at the top you get the checklist and the calendar. The most important thing is the calendar. Here you can find all the calendars and you can easily print them. So I have to select okay 2021 and then click OK. Okay, so now it's asking me that which month do I want, so I will go for April. Okay, so now I have to click on it. Now it's asking for how many copies do I want, so I need only one, so I will press OK now. Okay, so now it's saying that now printing one by one. Okay, so now just wait and see that how the print comes out. Okay, so it has taken the page inside it. Now it's processing and printing. Okay, so now you can see that the April month's calendar is with me. Okay, so here it looks like this, April 21. This one is the calendar with Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, everything is given in a table format. I have also taken a print of the March calendar too as well. Okay, so this feature is a very cool one, I think, to me as well. Okay, so here you go. Okay, so this printer can also print notebook pages as well. Okay, so here you can see that I have selected the narrow one and then number of copies I have given 1. So let's see how it comes out. Okay, so it has taken the page. Now it's processing. Okay, so here you can see that the page is with me. It's looking like a notebook page now, so you can easily write your notes here. This is how you can convert your A4 sheet into a notebook page like this. It has also given a red margin too as well. Now if you want wide one, then click OK now. Okay, so it's again printing. So it has taken the page. It's processing now. Okay, so here you go. Okay, so this one is a notebook page with a more thicker lines. Okay, so you can see the difference as well. Okay, so you can access notebook pages like this very easily. Okay, so this printer also gives you access to play games as well. If you want to play games, then go to games. Then I have selected Maze and I have selected easy. Okay, press done. Okay, so now it's going to take the page and see. Okay, so it has taken the page. So now it's printing. Okay. Okay, so here you go. Okay, so as you can see that it has given you a puzzle like thing, so you can easily play this if you want. So this feature is also a good one for me as well. You can easily play these kind of games. Okay, so as I have told you earlier that you can take e-printouts. To do that, you simply head towards your Wi-Fi settings of your device, then click on HP Print F7 DeskJet, this option, and connect it. Now just go back to your file which you want to print. Okay, so if I want to print this, I have to click on it, and now I have to click on the three dots section and search for the print option. Okay, so click on it. Now you can see that it has identified the printer. Now you can also select the number of copies, color, whether you want to do it two-sided or not, page size, orientation, number of pages. Okay, so just click on this print icon and you can see that it's showing now printing. Okay, so it actually takes a little bit longer time to process because it's e-print actually, and so it takes time. Okay, so here you can see that this function is running. Okay, so it takes a longer time to print. So let's see. Okay, so here as you can see that this is our printout. I have printed this page using the ePrint feature. Okay, so this ePrint feature you can use from anywhere around the globe. Okay, so as we all know that if you want to copy anything, just place your sheet on the glass like this Now close that lid and now click on the copy option. Okay, so here it will ask for two-sided draft, then I will click on draft, and then black or color, let's click on black. Okay, so now it says that now copying one by one. Okay, so this is how you can simply copy anything. Okay, so this is how you can copy. Okay, so as we all know that there are two cords attached to this printer. The first one connects the printer to the computer's CPU and the other one is the power cord of this printer. Okay, so using this printer you can even scan any documents, photos. You have to just place your document on the glass like this and close the lid. Now just head towards your desktop and search for the HP DeskJet, this icon, and click on it. Okay, so this will open this screen. You have to click on the scan option, just a single tap. Okay, so here you can see that you can convert your document to file, document to email also. Now click on scan. Okay, so it's written that preparing to scan. Okay, so just wait. Whenever you install your printer for the first time, this icon will appear. Just create a shortcut and keep it on the desktop. Okay, so here you can see that this is the scanned copy of the page that I have given. Okay, so from here you can even save it also. Okay, so as I have mentioned earlier, this printer is also capable of doing two-sided printing. In order to do that, just place the page you want to scan and copy on the glass like this and close the lid. Now go to the copy option. Here you will find an option that is two-sided printing. Click on it. If you want a draft copy, then click on draft and then click black. And just wait for it. Okay, so it has taken the page. Okay, so now here you can see that it's saying that load the second page on the glass. Now you have to just load the second page and remove the previous one like this, okay, and now click OK. Okay, okay, so now it will print the other side of the page. Okay, so here you go, you can see that it has printed the both side like this, which makes the job much more easier. HP claims that using their printer, that is this model which I am using currently, you can print anything from anywhere around the globe with just one click. But to do that, you just need to turn on this printer, and then with just one click from your smartphone or tablet, you can print anything from anywhere around the world. As you all can see that I haven't removed the plastic film that protects the screen, because it protects the screen from scratches, dust particles and moisture. Okay, so one last thing which I wanted to show you guys is that this one is a project kit which I got as a free gift when I purchased that printer. This one is a project kit, and here you can see that the picture of Doraemon and Nobita is given. It's just a small unboxing, just enjoy. guys liked and enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are thinking of buying these kind of HP printers for themselves. And thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next.